Okay va? Good morning student. In the last class we have started a new chapter, pairs of linear equation in two variables, and so many methods we have seen in this chapter. What are the graphical method, how to solve the two pair equation by graphical method, and algebraic method, elimination method, substitution method, and cross multiplication method. We will start graphical method in the last. Let us go for an easy method or substitution method first. Before going for the substitution method, we will go for exercise 3.1, where you have to learn how to frame the pair of equation. How to frame? We will do one or two problems from the exercise 3.1. 3.1, what is the first problem given? A father and daughter is there. Both are there. So a father is telling that to his daughter, 7 years ago, he was 7 times as your age. What is telling? The father is telling to his daughter that 7 years ago, his age was 7 times as his daughter age. So I have written 7 years ago, father's age. Now you also know the father age is X and the daughter age is Y. So present age, I am 20 means before 7 years, what will be my age? 20 minus of 7, 13. So same thing, father age before 7 years means now it is X, before means minus of X, minus of 7 years. Same thing will become to daughter also, Y minus 7. So both the age before 7 years is father is X minus 7, daughter is Y minus 7. And what father is saying? When before 7 years, his age was 7 times his daughter age. So father is telling that father's age is equal to 7 times of daughter age. So father age, what you have got? X minus 7. And daughter age, Y minus 7. So X minus 7 equal to 7 multiplication bracket of Y minus 7. Remove the bracket, simplify. X minus 7 equal to 7 into Y, 7Y. 7 into minus 7 minus 49. Make it in a standard form. Standard form. X minus Y I am bringing here this side to this side. 7 is there I am keeping. Number term I am also bringing here. That is equal to 0. That is standard form. Now I am simplifying here. X minus of 7Y. Minus 7 for plus 49 is there. Why it is becoming 49? Because this 49 I am taking left hand side. So plus 49 minus of 7, 42. That is equal to 0. That is your first equation. X minus Y plus of 42 equal to 0. First equation. Second condition, the same problem they are telling. 3 years from now, that means after 3 years, father is telling that his age is 3 times of his daughter age. What is that? His age is 3 times of his daughter age. So now my present age is X. So after 3 years, what will be there? 3 years will be added. Same thing. Father's age will become X plus 3. Daughter age will become Y plus 3. So two conditions made. What is the condition there? Father is 3 times of daughter's age. So father is X plus 3 equal to 3 times of Y plus 3. Remove the bracket, simplify. X plus 3 equal to 3Y plus of 9. Group all in one side. X minus Y. Minus 9 will come to this side. Already 3 is there. Minus 9 plus 3 minus 6 equal to 0. That is your standard form of equation. So pair of equations are X minus 7Y plus of 42 equal to 0. One equation. Second pair is X minus of 3Y minus of 6 equal to second equation equal to 0. Second equation. Pairs of equation. This is first problem. Similar to second problem. You see question number 2. A cricket coach buying bat and ball. He is buying bat and ball. Let us assume bat as X, ball as Y in variable. He is buying, first he is buying 3 bats and 6 balls. He is giving money 3,900. Here, so 3 bats. Bat we are assuming for X. Y we are assuming for ball. So 3 times of X plus of 6 times of Y together equal to 3,900 rupees. Then make it in the standard form. I am bringing the 3,900 inside it. So it will become 3x plus 6y minus of 300 equal to 0. First equation. Second condition they are given. Once again he is going and buying another one ball, one bat and 3 balls extra. How much he is giving? 1,300 rupees he is giving. Convert into standard form. X, 1 means x only. 3 balls, 3 into y balls minus 1,300. Here I am bringing to the left hand side equal to 0. So that is what is our required equation? 1 and 2 are the required equation. What is that? Here 3x plus 6y minus of 3900 equal to 0. And x plus of 3y minus of 1300 equal to 0. These are the required equation. This is the way how to frame the equation from the word problem given. Okay. Third question you take it as a homework and try it. Okay. So what? From the data you are converting into a two equation. That is pair of equation. To frame a pair of equation. That is this one. 2 mark it will come. Okay. And question number 3 you take it as a homework. Then we will go for exercise number 3.3 because 3.2 is based on graph. That we will do it in the last. First we will complete calculation method, algebraic method. Substitution method I am taking first, 3.3. One problem I will do it later, we will continue in the next periods. Question number 1, what is given? One equation I have taken. X plus y equal to 14, x minus y equal to 4. Two equations they are given. I am going to do it in the substitution method, first method. Step 1, I am taking first equation and converting in terms of x. I am keeping x one side, I am moving y other side. So your first equation will become 14 minus of y. Let it be third equation. It is substitution equation. First equation I converted. Take this x value and substitute in the second equation x value. Step 2. Substitute equation 3 in the equation 2. So what I have done? This 14 minus of x directly I have put in the equation 2 in terms of x. So 14 minus of y already it is there equal to 4 in the second equation I have made. Then simplify this equation. 14 will be 14 minus you have to add, so 2y that is equal to 4. Then take the number to the other side. I have taken the number to the other side. Minus 14. So minus 2y equal to 4 minus of 14. Simplify it. So you will get minus 10. Here minus 2. Both we are cancelling, dividing, cross multiplication you are doing. You will get y equal to 5. Take this y equal to 5 and substitute it in one or two equation. Any equation you can substitute. What you will get? When you put y equal to 5 in one or two equation. See, I have taken the second equation. X minus y equal to 4. In that I am putting the y value as 5. So x minus of 5 equal to 4. Then I am moving the number to the number side. So what is happening here? X equal to 5 plus 4, 9. If you want to check it up, substitute this 9 and 5 in any one of the equation. Let us see. X equal to 9. 5, y equal to 5. 9 minus 5, how much you are getting? 4. Both the equations should satisfy. Here also you see 9 plus of 4, 9 plus of 5, 14. Understood? This solution what you are getting, x and y, 9 and comma 5 should satisfy both the equation. Understood? Clear? Up to this one today we will stop, and in the next class we will continue the next problem. Thank you.